So hey guys, I need to come to you real quickly and talk to you about what I see is going on with Shiba Inu and kind of the overall market. Made a SHIB video earlier today and also made an earlier market condition video. So I wanted to revisit what was going on. Okay, so we've got a situation here that I firmly believe is a profit-taking scenario playing out kind of across the board, Bitcoin, Ethereum, things. And we've had a little bit of a sell-off, not anything dramatic, but it was worth another video. Okay, so real quickly, we're going to look at Shiba Inu and I'm going to show you kind of what I'm seeing. So if you look at Shiba Inu, it was actually up about 3.5 to 4% earlier today. Now we're still up 8.8, almost 9% in the last 7 days, but you can see that it's pared back some of those gains to this 2.4 range. Now our 24-hour high is that 2.517. We broke above that very key resistance level. Now we've given that up. And I think fundamentally what I'm seeing going on here is we've got look at this. We've got a fairly high amount of trading volume transpiring, and I think fundamentally we have a little bit of profit taking in play, not just in Shiba Inu, but kind of across the board. I mean, we had basically, I think we were at about I want to say about a 12% up over the last 7 days. Usually anytime you kind of peak up over, say, a 10% gain over a period of time, you're going to have a certain amount of token holders that are going to look to take profits. Nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying that that's what I think is transpiring here, because there's really nothing different that's happened in the last 4 or 5 hours that from when I made my videos earlier this morning for you guys in the overall market conditions and or specifically to Shiba Inu. We've got some profit taking going on, and that's what I think is transpiring, because again, nothing has really fundamentally changed in the overall kind of market conditions. You know, if you look at kind of what's going on over on, I use Yahoo Finance, use whichever site you like, Bloomberg, whatever it is. If you look at what's kind of going on Yahoo Finance, you've got the Dow up 89 and the NASDAQ down 42, kind of literally just kind of you split the difference kind of scenario playing. Yes, I know they're different markets, things of that nature, but you've also got some news kind of factoring into this. So like if you look at this, and if you take this like as an example, stocks mixed as investors mull new sanctions on Russia. You may think, well, that has nothing to do with anything. Actually, it does. Okay, so this is kind of a new scenario where there's some new sanctions that are going into play against Russia for the Russia-Ukraine war, and now you've got the market trying to digest, if you will, that is that going to have an impact or not. That's so the stock market is looking to digest that, but it's also bleeding over into crypto. So people are starting to go, I wonder if that's happening or not. I wonder if that's gonna impact or not. And you kind of start to have this little bit of a pullback. So that coupled with, I think, profit taking, because in the last 7 days we did peak up over 10% gain for Shiba Inu in the last 7 days. You got some profit taking. You got this Russia sanction scenario playing out. There's also another macroeconomic indicator going on, which is the whole Federal Reserve. There's some comments coming out from the Chief Powell, talking about there is going to be more there's going to be more Fed interest rate hikes. We know this. We know there could be as many as 6 interest rate hikes coming in the rest of 2022, which is a lot if you think about it. We're at the end of March. We're basically done with the first quarter. We only have 3 more quarters to go in 2022. Okay, so that's what's going on with Shiba Inu. That's why we're starting to see a little bit of a pullback. As always, I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you later.